last time you been outside, motherfucker?
Yo, what's good, YouTube, man? Yo, what's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy, Reed 4K. And we're back, you feel me? Yeah, we're back with another day, another video, you feel me? You know, make sure y'all watch the whole vid. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. You already know, turn that post notification button on. But yeah, man, today I'm about to go to this lake, Shelly Lake. You feel me? About to just walk around the park. You feel me? On nature walk type shit. You feel me? Ain't nothing wrong with walking around in the park. You know, clear your mind. Ease my mind, like Boosie said.
Smoking on purple, ease my mind. This that shit that we get high to.
Y'all ain't heard that song. Y'all ain't know. You ain't no Boosie fan. Go ahead and get out. Go ahead and go and get. That Boosie was tough, nigga. But when y'all was a little kid, y'all ever, you know, have a radio station just playing in your head, like just some music. You feel me? Try to do that shit like K9 7.5 or some shit like that. You just be rapping the songs and shit. It's hot as hell. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, trying to rap the songs and shit. Be changing songs in your head. Yeah. But today, man, today gonna be an eventful day. I'm gonna drop this vlog for y'all today. Yeah, you already know, man. It's your boy Reed 4K. Everything's 4K on this channel. You feel me? Everything. Video quality. When I talk anything 4K, nigga. Exclusive 4K vibes, nigga. That's all. That's all it is. But yeah, you already know. If you ain't subscribed, subscribe now. Goddamn, before it's too late. Like Drake said. But yeah, do that. But yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all when I get to the lake. You feel me? What's good, y'all? Finally made it. Transport. What Yak say? Transporter. Yeah. We transporting out this E. Straight transport. And gang got the VIP spots. Gang got the VIP parking spots. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold your horses. Oh, oh, oh. What you say? I don't know what I said. Damn, I can't get out. I just said that. Yo, look at this vlog. I can't even open my door, bro. What the fuck? Look at this. This nigga tripping. How you gonna get out, man? Nigga, I'm about to scoop my car over.
Slitherman, go ahead.
Slither, man.
Yeah, you gotta slide through that shit.
What if I need to slide back in fast?
I got my car right there. What you mean?
You right.
Yeah, Shelly Park, bro. This is white central right here. You ain't gonna see no black folk at all.
Hell no. We out this bitch though. You know. Niggas ain't never lacking. You know you gotta keep that burn on wherever you go.
You say your phone about to die? Did you bring some water, fool?
Yeah, it's in my bag.
Fuck it.
Gang here.
Feel me? What's good, y'all? Devon in the chat, you feel me?
For sure. We here. Live out here. First time was good. First time we out here got in the public with it.
Word.
With the vid. With the vid.
You feel me?
Yeah.
All these wonderful families out here.
Everybody.
Yeah, full, they all over there fucking chilling and shit. You feel me? Probably about to have a little old nigga race. You feel me?
Yeah. Okay. We're about to have a old nigga race right there.
Right there. You feel
Right
me?
there.
First picture. Let me not even get fucked up on the camera. I just told them I haven't been so divine lately. I've been having a lot of cruddy energy.
Oh, wait. Yeah.
I'm gonna need a room. Let them catch their blessings by themselves.
Yeah, for sure.
You don't even move.
This is my first time out here, for real. Yeah. This is my first day out here. First day out. Yeah.
Alright, shit. Well, we gonna walk straight. And then after we walk straight, I'm gonna just take you around. We don't end up right here again.
Alright.
But we're not gonna be right here. You feel me? We're gonna be coming from that way.
Awesome. Good morning. Awesome, smooth.
Oh, they got help with dogs. Yeah. Fuck having kids. Let's have some dogs.
Let's have a dog family.
A dog will never switch up on you. The motherfucker might bite you, but shit.
Yeah. We'll never
feel
switch
bad.
up.
You feel me? And they only bite you if you treat it wrong.
Yeah,
Or if you just older shit too. You feel me?
for real.
Old age or young age. Really?
Yeah.
Nah.
We got a long journey to go, vlog.
This is the one guy. I'm gonna lie.
Yeah.
Y'all already seen the beginning process.
Yeah.
You feel me?
Good
What's
morning.
up? I'm probably gonna ask a random dude a question. Or I might just stand in front of him like this.
Hey, you know.
Feel me?
Yeah, you already know. Got that. Gotta keep the thing on.
You gotta keep We out
You
here in the woods. I seen the deer already.
For real?
Big ass deer, on guard.
Should've went and hopped on it.
What the fuck? That shit was a fucking freak. And some big ass.
Hey, what type of turtle is this?
I didn't even see this shit. Hold on.
You know what I'm saying?
What they talking about?
You know what I'm saying? Hey, close up.
Word. Hi, I am an eastern box turtle. I live in the woods. If you find me, please do not take me away because oh, hell no. I'm taking that motherfucker.
Gotta go.
Tell me to find the animal and not take it home.
Gotta go. Hey, we on the search to find that turtle today.
Where you at?
Where you at, turtle?
Cornelius.
But hey, niggas fresh off work with it.
I ain't even go in.
Niggas ain't going to work, but it's straight though. You feel me? It's cool. Yeah, it's cool. It's cool. You always got another week to reset.
Word.
So, you feel me?
Come every week, so it don't really matter.
Yeah.
As long as you don't miss fucking 2 days a week. then you'll be all right.
Oh, we should go in the trenches with it.
Yeah, we about to be in the trenches.
All right.
Yeah, we just gotta go through the suburbs first.
All right.
Literally.
What's this? This is a little workout
Yeah,
shit.
you wanna do that, dude?
Yeah. Let me. Hold on.
Check the vlog out.
Let's get out there. I need to pull out the tripod on their ass.
Look, this shit not cutting, man.
Yeah. I should have brought my mini tripod. I should have brought my mini tripod. Yeah.
Which means you just around a bunch of ducks. That's all that means.
You know what happens when y'all here around a whole lot of ducks.
Heard.
Hold up. Let me get right. Let me get right.
You're right. Take the book bag off.
You gotta get sturdy before you do it.
Huh? Oh. Hold on, I almost broke my ankle.
Good game.
Y'all can't tell me this shit don't look good though.
We off the tripod. Now we really
Oh yeah, we lit.
lit now. We off the tripod with it. Feel me? Quick Reeves workout today, you know. 4K dips. I literally did 4 dips. I call that 4K dips. You gotta get active. In order to do 4K dips, you gotta get sturdy. You gotta get sturdy before you do it. Yeah.
Another duck right here.
Ducks.
Is that a dog?
Nah, that's a seagull. Sorry, nah.
There's a difference between seagull and a dove. Wait, I don't fucking birds. What's up next?
Nah. This my dog Pete. You feel me? Oh. What's good? Pressure. Oh,
scared?
Buddy bold.
This nigga not scared.
Buddy bold.
Alright.
Like I'm gonna actually clap his ass.
Word, y'all lucky I ain't bring the torch out there.
Cause Buddy would
All
have
y'all
got
would have been fucked up.
Buddy would have got flamed
Show
on.
them the squad. Hold on, look.
Hey.
They having a standoff, fool. Cause look, you see how they over there
Uh-huh.
on that side, and them niggas not fucking with this side though. You see how they staring at them niggas and they staring at them?
Oh yeah, that's
They having a standoff over here, y'all.
look. For all y'all young boy members out there, you feel me? Hey, that's young boy in them. You feel me? Over there. And this OTF right here. You know what I'm saying?
That's so tough.
Yeah.
That's so tough.
Yeah, come on now.
Niggas is in their trenches and shit.
Come on
Niggas
now.
sliding. Look at this. He's sliding right there.
Yeah, but Buddy's sliding in the
Word.
middle.
Bro
Where
wearing
you
a
at?
COVID mask.
Bro sliding with a COVID mask, nigga.
Bro.
Ben sliding with COVID
Them
mask on
niggas is
though.
wearing COVID masks all around.
Yeah.
That's they motherfucking.
But no
tired.
social distance though.
They ain't distance and shit.
No social distance.
Hey, look, they ain't with it though. They chillin'.
Oh yeah, they on they
Yo,
bully
they
today.
shit right here. They said fuck the bullshit.
Yeah, they bully today.
I think the ones with the green heads is males, and then the brown ones is the female. No, I think that's
I watch say it's hella niggas over here then.
Bro, I don't know the fucking terminology for no damn duck.
Yeah.
See the extra ones that I have.
Oh, I did not see that wolf.
Ah,
Private property. Private property. Where you see that at?
that house.
I mean, that is your crib, my nigga. I don't think we would have walked in his back.
I mean, unless we go up the steps.
You wanna go up there?
You know me. Yeah. Right here don't say private property. You know what I'm saying?
Devon.
Always climbing over shit.
Yeah. Parkour life.
Oh, this ain't nothing. You can't even. But you can get real sturdy up here though.
Can we get sturdy? Yeah, you get sturdy.
Niggas, we getting sturdy everywhere today, man.
Fuck it, this I'ma act the fuck up. Everything like, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, clap the fuck. Go. My mother. Hey, this the first time we came to Shelly Lake, bro. You see, we in dress attire.
Yeah.
We about to go mess with the public. We gonna ask them a few questions.
For sure.
You feel me? I'm gonna leave Fool alone till he got the Doc Martens on. You feel me?
You got those on you on your bully.
We got small homes with them. You know, small dogs be the ankle biters.
Oh yeah.
Can't fuck with them.
Yeah. Who? What bird is this right here?
I am a Canadian goose. Oh, so we've been seeing goose this whole time. That's cap. I know what a duck is, bro.
Yeah, that's a duck.
That's a duck.
That's a duck.
Do it look like we in Canada?
Nigga, ducks quack.
Where is that? What? I thought duck. Hold on. Yeah, that is.
Whoa. What you talking about?
We're cooking up duck tonight. So
Cooking up duck tonight.
Last time I checked, this North Carolina, bro. I don't know nothing about no Canada.
And we ain't talking about no FBG duck either.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Y'all tripping if y'all talking about him. Got that man. Rest in peace. You feel?
Rest in peace.
Yeah, I got them Reebok.
Hey yo, that could be a vid. If y'all want us, you feel me, come out here at nighttime.
Oh yeah, spend the night, nigga. Go camping.
Yeah.
I'll go get a tent today.
We'll come out this bit and you feel me?
Hey, give us a month.
Yeah.
Let it get warm outside.
Get this vid.
100 views and we'll do it.
Yeah, 100
That's
views.
doable.
Yeah, 100 views and we'll do it.
Word.
100
Don't
views,
matter who
man.
video.
Yeah.
Either or. And if you do 200, 100,
100.
we'll do something. Yeah, we'll have a whole exclusive dinner out this bitch. How about
Oh
that?
yeah, we'll even cook out here.
Word.
We'll get a tent and stay out here.
Word.
You feel me? Cause we real trenchers like that.
Yeah, hey, this is the trenches, and we run this shit. You feel me?
Yeah.
Look, we walking on their soil. It's our shit.
Everybody that's in the trenches with us, you feel me? They had to come through us first.
Word. You see these niggas ain't fucking with us. Good morning. Good morning.
Everybody yell. Top of the morning.
Look, the eagle. Shit.
Yeah. Hit somebody with that top of the morning. I hear something.
Oh, it's a little bird over there.
Oh.
All right.
Thought
Oh,
it
I
was a
found
snake.
a little turtle.
Nah, I thought it was a snake.
Oh, no. I'm people. If we see a snake, we just gonna keep pushing. You never know what snakes is poisonous.
Yeah. The fuck? Nah, like I said, y'all, this gonna be an eventful
History
vlog.
lesson. Once upon a time, it was Native Americans running through this shit. The trenches.
Yeah.
Now these are
Slaves.
trenches. You feel me?
Yeah.
Word. Native Americans.
Pause real quick for the call. Oh.
What the fuck was that?
A damn dinosaur, nigga. That shit right there.
Oh, that's the fucking bird I seen, bro.
That's not the eagle, though.
No, that's that big ass long neck shit, bro. What the fuck is that?
That shit
Where
got
he land at? Where he go?
home. He right there. You can't see him. He in the tree. Oh, you hear a woodpecker?
Blood now.
Whoa.
Hold your horses.
Whoa. Glad
Hold your
that
horses. That motherfucker tried to attack the nigga on the dog.
glad that won us.
Oh my god, because he would have got up with a stick. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
It's an eagle in the sky.
They found the eagles.
They found the little girls found the eagle. Kids be finding crazy shit, bro.
Yeah.
How
Never-
the fuck did she even see that shit?
Never would have thought.
Never would have thought that shit would be cruising.
And we
It's
just out
confirmed.
here. Yeah.
We definitely got eagles. You feel me?
He the king of the trenches, though.
Bird. He the king of the trenches and the trees. You feel me?
Yeah.
He ain't gonna come down here too often unless he hunt.
Yeah. For sure.
That's our shit. Straight up. You see all these damn dogs? We allow these niggas to come through. Look at Sloth Holmes
Yeah.
walking through.
Coming through, stepping. You feel me?
We're a bit stepper. Hold on.
As long as these niggas don't, you feel me, try to bite us and shit, we good.
They gonna get stumped out. Run, they gonna.
Bark. For sure.
I never knew a squirrel made the noise
Yeah.
until I moved down here.
Yeah.
The wood trenches.
For real.
I'm from the trenches with the buildings and shit. Not the trenches with bald eagles. This is a different type of exclusive right here.
Oh yeah. Right now, man, we about to go in the exclusive tunnel.
Word.
You feel me?
All right.
Probably take a couple flicks in this bit.
No.
Okay.
Though.
Yeah.
It ain't behind me if you look. You feel me?
It's in
The
front.
shit is in front of me.
Yeah.
I just can't flip my screen like a Snapchat. You feel me?
Come on now.
But I can do this though.
For sure. Yeah.
We still here. Through the trenches we go.
For real. You feel me? We about to. Okay.
Look, I want you to be happy.
Okay.
Happier. Alright. Good lesson.
Yeah. Yeah, I need to come in here and write 4K on the wall. You feel me? Cause there's some. Hey, we gonna grab some spray paint. We can come in here. We tag this with our YouTube name.
I'm putting the line somewhere where it needs to be.
Right there.
You feel me?
And I'm putting 4K right there.
Word.
For sure.
I might just put Devon on this. Nah, it's too many spark webs up there.
Yeah.
They got the lights, the colorful lights.
Diablo Studios. Don't know what that is.
Diablo, that means the devil.
It was meant for you. What was meant for me?
Hey, true story, my dad almost made that my middle name, bro.
What?
Diablo. My middle name Diablo.
Just the thumbnail. We gotta come back through here and catch a thumbnail.
We ain't got no choice but to come back through this.
Yeah. I'm gonna start vlogging off the wide camera.
How y'all doing? All right.
Shoot, we
No
just
trying they just don't want to talk to us. That's cool.
trying to say top of the morning.
Top of the morning. Fuck you. You feel me?
Fuck you.
Fuck you. All right.
Damn.
We in the trenches now.
Oh yeah.
Trench time. Yeah.
Trench baby.
I'm about to push the camera from my face. Hey, let me get that water.
Oh yeah,
Let's see.
for sure.
It's down for cotton mouth. Not really.
Before we go in the trenches.
So they sliding on the bikes. We need your bike. The bike's only $100 for it.
Yeah.
Damn, bro. That's not
Here you go again.
make me want to break that shit.
Make sure y'all stay hydrated.
Water is your best friend.
Drink your water, man. If you don't drink your water, you a nasty little what we say earlier, person.
Stick your head.
Yeah, stupid head.
Stupid head. Damn, baby mother. We could have been
Superstars. You switch like a stupid little bitch.
Now that I'm looking around and you really took, this is probably the dumbest idea I had all day.
What you mean?
Man, we can get stalked to death.
We can get what?
Stalked to death.
Stalked?
Yeah.
Like somebody following us?
No. I ain't worried about the people.
Oh.
Wild ass animals. That's what we worried
Oh. I mean, I'm always ready for a live target practice. Always.
Bridge right there that don't work.
I would say let's try to go across of it, but that kind of looks sketchy.
That should be very sketchy.
Shit kind of look a little
Definitely gonna
sketchy.
fall, you feel me?
Oh, we can get up right here though.
We want to go down?
Yeah, fuck it. We being adventurous this vlog, man.
Adventure time. You remember that show?
Whoa. Hold your horses.
Hold your
Whoa. I got rocks in my shoe.
word. I got a snake in my boot.
Yeah. Hey, where you going, gang? I was talking about right here. Whoa. What type of rock?
I don't fucking know. It look foreign though.
That shit came from
The river.
yeah.
Look, it's another piece right there. Hey, if y'all know what type of rock this is, let me know. You know what I mean?
Let us know in the comments.
Let us know. This is Devon's natural habitat.
We about to think that's safe.
No. We gotta be on this side.
Oh.
Ain't no trail over there.
Oh damn, that's the middle of the island.
Look, this little dam. They made a little man-made dam right here. You feel me? Nature,
So the water can, you
nature
know what I'm saying?
promises. How the fuck did we get over here? Devon Bonds, man.
Oh.
Shit harder than the sea.
Oh. You did this shit kind of slight. Stop playing with me like I ain't got it in me.
Flawless. Hold on, wait. They just got sand in the boot.
Nigga got sand in the boot.
Athletic wear.
Got sand in the boot. Hey, this that beach sand.
This that same
No
you fight
cap.
somebody, you get your ass beat, you throw it in their eyes.
Look at that, yeah. Hey, I ain't gonna cap. This wide camera be doing some things. Gotcha, dumbass.
Somebody was chopping wood, obviously.
Oh yeah.
Somebody be back here during the same.
You know what I'm saying? That was Chop Squad. Yeah. Ain't talking about the beats.
Oh, I seen the live deer around this area. Ran into this little bush area.
Okay.
And then the dog started barking. And then that's when I came back.
Okay.
You feel me? Ain't no telling who out here hunting. But it's somewhere in that area right there. Half an hour ago.
Can't get caught lacking. You know what I'm saying? One let me tell the vlog, man. One time I was, you know what I'm saying, walking, and some deers popped out the cut on some aggressive shit. Like, yeah, like them niggas, they was really trying to get up. Like,
Wait, hold on. You got attacked by some deer, shit?
yeah, one of my cousins, bro, got kicked by a deer, bro.
That shit not funny.
Yeah. Hey, look at this hole right here.
I just peeked it, bro. I was trying to see if there's a hole on the other side. Uh-oh. History lesson, niggas. If you see any vines with this little material on it, don't touch it. That's poison ivy right there. That's a poisonous vine. You feel me? The vine roots coming out of the motherfucking ground. You see where it's coming from? The divine roots.
Yeah.
Oh, my fault. My
You
fault.
good, you
My
good,
fault.
you good.
Dead. That shit go all the way up like a drill line.
Yeah, all the way.
Damn, nigga.
Locked in. 4 ways.
You was a dirty bitch. Whoever did this is one dirty bitch. And it gotta be multiple of y'all.
Yeah.
That's 4 pieces of gum. 5.
You dirty little bitch. Hey, did we just cut through on some shit?
Shit, I don't know. I was trying to see what the fuck was under this bridge. I walked it. I turned around right here because I was like, this what it's going on.
Yeah.
Alright, look. You might run into some natural living.
Okay. Talking about like
Stops.
homeless.
Homeless.
Okay.
Motherfucking huntless.
Hey y'all, nah, scratch that. I'm putting.
Oh yeah.
We tagging 4K. You feel me?
The bonsai or somewhere around
Yeah. Look. Follow the white rabbit. Where the fuck is the white rabbit at?
here. Hey Slim. I don't like, whoa. What the fuck? Who goes there? My head. Who is my head?
RP Josh. Whoa.
Wait, they just died down
Hey, we you feel me? Under the bridge, man.
What's up there?
I don't know, but you feel me? How we get over there? Don't know.
That's a big ass question.
Dang.
What's that way?
Mine Creek.
I'm scared. We done walked a long way. Let's go back, man.
I thought you said this was gonna lead us back around.
Shit, no.
You said nah?
What I meant was when we go back, we gonna take that left. This is wow.
Nigga, I'll bust the bus in here, nigga.
You get bit by a snake by a snake.
Oh.
Worse. What the fuck was that?
I think I caught that on camera.
Niggas almost got fucked up.
For real. Yeah, you wanna go down there? I don't like way home stop like that. Like, what you want to do? Okay, I see deer tracks.
Where?
Right here.
Uh-oh.
You know,
Hunter.
deer tracks.
Deer trap. Alright, that big motherfucker probably did come this way.
I learned that from Assassin's Creed, y'all. You know, follow the tracks. Oh, there goes some deer.
Oh, they lit right here.
Oh, we turned. Hey, we turned.
How they get low like that?
Oh, we
Bitch,
turned.
we on the
Oh, we turned.
We on the Drop the sack. Wait, what?
Where the deers go?
Hold up. I thought we was going the right way.
Wait a minute. Where them niggas go?
That's so tough.
Nigga, there's about 20 of them.
Shout out Kyrie, man. He done found the deers and shit. He
Yeah.
said deer tracks. I need to take a break. I ain't ran in some years.
Damn, man.
Man, I've been walking since like 8 o'clock.
Oh, activity down there.
Get it on film. Creep up on him.
She acting gangster, she want me to slap her. Ay, street nigga not like a rapper. I don't be capping, but bitch, I'm a capper. She wanna know what my life like. I need her with me, I just might nap her. Since she be living the nightlife, tell her.